Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making this really cute Toodles Pinata. My little girl is turning 2, so we're doing an Toodles theme. The great thing about this project though is you can customize it however you want. I obviously did Toodles, but you can use these skills and make a rainbow, a heart, whatever works for you. All I had to purchase for this project was poster board, ribbon, and some streamers. I had most of the stuff on hand. You probably do too. I made this for just $4. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to start by tracing 3 circles onto a piece of cardboard that I already had from a delivery package. I'm doing 1 larger circle and then 2 smaller circles to make the ears. It's that traditional 3-circle Mickey head. I'm going to cut that out and then place this on a second piece of cardboard, and I'm going to trace this shape. We want 2 Mickey heads that are exactly the same size to make the base of our piñata. Cut that out, so I have 2 matchers and I need to attach them. I'm attaching them using poster board. I cut these strips about 4 inches wide and I'm using just some regular Scotch tape, but plenty of it to make it nice and secure. Flip that over and I'm going to place the second Mickey head on top, and once again I'm going to attach that all around using more Scotch tape. So here it is, nice and secure. Now we need to cut some strips of party streamer. These are about, I'd say 8 inches long, and I'm going to take a stack of them and cut into them to make a fringe. So you'll see I'm cutting almost about halfway up. This is going to give us that fringed tissue paper piñata look. Do that till you have a nice pile of them. 1 roll is more than enough. And now I'm just going to attach them along the sides of the piñata. I'm using regular Elmer's glue, a line of glue at the top of the streamer, and then overlap them around. You'll notice I'm just doing the sides. You don't need any streamers on the surface face area of the piñata. That's where we're going to decorate Toodles' face, so you won't see any of that cardboard. The main thing here is you just want to make sure you're doing them in nice straight lines and you're overlapping them enough that none of that white poster board is showing through. I am placing a little bit of the streamer here where the ears meet the head, because once we decorate the Toodles face, that part will show through, and you'll see what I mean in just a moment when we get started. To make Toodles' face, I'm using some circles of poster board that I just cut out. 1 circle on each ear and then a circle on the face. I'm attaching this again with Elmer's glue, and this is the back side, so once we do this step, this side is completely done. We're not going to do a face on this side. I'm going to flip that over and do the exact same thing. Just some circles of poster board covering the ears and covering the face. You just want to make sure all the cardboard is covered. And once I'm done with this step, it's time to do eyes and a mouth. I'm using some construction paper I had, cut out some circles for the eyes. I'm gluing those on, and then I'm going to use smaller circles to make the pupils. I don't know why, but Toodles always looks a little cross-eyed, so I'm going to make the pupils touching to give it that silly face. And then I cut out a mouth, which is going to be just 2 circles attached with a line. I'm going to do it a little sideways to make her silly. And that's that. I am doing a girl Toodles, so I've made a bow. I cut the bow out of construction paper again, and I'm just gluing it on. The final step is to make this a piñata that you can actually fill with candy. So I'm cutting a flap out of the bottom using a sharp knife. I'm basically putting 3 sides of a rectangle. So when I fill this with the candy, I can then just tape this flap shut with some masking tape. I'm making this a pull piñata, which means you don't actually hit it with a bat. I have little kids at this party, so I'm gonna poke a hole into the flap and I'm gonna thread through some ribbon and just tie it in place so that when it comes time, I'll just pull the ribbon and the candy will come out. If you want a traditional piñata where you hit it with a bat, you don't need to attach this ribbon. And then at the top, I've poked 2 holes and I'm threading through some ribbon. I used a little tweezer there to catch the ribbon and pull it. And I'm gonna just tie this up, and this will be how I hang the piñata. To make sure those holes are nice and strong, I'm reinforcing it with a little bit of tape so that nothing tears when I go to hang it. And that's it. I'm so excited with how this came out. Let me know in the comments below if you plan on trying this, how it turns out for you. Hit that thumbs up button if you liked this video. Hit the red subscribe button if you want to see more like this. I've got more birthday videos, holiday stuff coming up, and I'm doing DIY videos every single week. I'll see you next time. Bye.